In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button hover effect in Figma. If you're designing in Figma and want to make your user interface more interactive, understanding how to create button hover effects can really elevate your design game. So, let's dive right in. Start by heading over to the Figma website. If you're already an account holder, just type in your credentials and log in. Assuming you're already on your draft page where your project lives, we're set to create that engaging button hover effect we've been talking about. First, you'll want to locate the rectangle tool. It's typically at the center of your Figma workspace. Clicking on this tool allows you to draw the basis of your button. Go ahead and click and drag on your canvas to create a rectangle, which will act as your button. Usually, a rectangular shape works best, but you can always tweak it to fit your design. Next, it's time to label your button. You can simply click inside it to add a title or name that suits its function. Now, for some customization, you can edit aspects like opacity, font size, and fill color through the design panel on the right. Feel free to adjust these settings to match your design's theme. Once you're finished with styling the button, look at the design panel again and click on Create Component. This action groups your button into a component that you can replicate and edit while keeping the original instance intact. You'll see the component appear alongside its variants, each acting as a different state for your button. Now it's time to add a hover effect variant. Change this variant by altering its style, such as a darker background color, increased shadow, or different text color. This visual change is crucial to creating a noticeable hover effect. Moving forward, head over to the Prototype tab, found at the top right of the screen, and click on Add Interaction. Start by selecting your default button variant. When the interaction window pops up, drag that little blue arrow to the hover variant you modified earlier. To set the trigger, choose While Hovering from the available options. This ensures your button changes appearance when the cursor is over it. And last but not least, go to the Animation section and select Smart Animation. This option often results in a smooth, polished appearance. Congratulations! You've now set up a button hover animation. You can test out your work by creating a frame and dragging your button component onto it. Click on the Assets panel to see the components and drag them onto your canvas. Finally, hit the Present button on the right to see your design in action. Feel free to explore and tweak the transitions to your liking. That's it for today's guide. You've learned how to create a button hover effect in Figma, adding another layer of depth and interactivity to your designs.